Welcome to the magical Rainbow Island, a place where every day is an adventure waiting to happen. Today, we join Luna and Max, two best friends, on a quest unlike any other. Little did they know, they were about to discover the lost treasure of Rainbow Island.
Max, guess what I found in the library? A map to Rainbow Island's lost treasure. Max, a real treasure map? Luna, we have to find it. Where do we start? It says we need to find the 3 keys hidden around the island, each guarded by a challenge. Only then can we unlock the treasure.
Their first stop was the Forest of Whispers, where the Key of Courage waited, but not without a test.
A giant owl appears, guarding the key. Owl, to earn this key, you must face your fears and trust in each other. Cross the forest blindfolded, guided only by your friend's voice.
Next was the Mountain of Echoes, home to the Key of Trust.
A wise mountain goat meets them. Goat, to conquer this mountain and gain the key, you must climb to the peak without looking back, for trust means moving forward together.
Their final challenge was the Cave of Reflections, where the Key of Wisdom was hidden.
Inside the cave, thousands of mirrors showed reflections of Luna and Max. Voice from the cave. True wisdom comes from knowing yourself. Find the mirror that reflects your truest self. Luna and Max look into different mirrors, finally finding the ones that glow brightly, revealing their inner qualities. They obtain the 3rd key.
Inside the chest wasn't gold or jewels, but something far more valuable. A magical orb that promised to make Rainbow Island a sanctuary for all its creatures, forever protected and prosperous.
Luna. We did it, Max. We found the real treasure of Rainbow Island. Max. And we learned so much along the way. True bravery, trust, and wisdom are the greatest treasures anyone can have.
Luna and Max's adventure came to an end, but the legend of their bravery lived on, inspiring all who heard their tale. Remember, every one of us has a treasure within, just waiting to be discovered. Thanks for joining Luna and Max on their adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more magical stories. See you next time.